Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your phone for a short, high-quality capture. Make sure your Poco is updated and the camera app offers a short video or motion option. You need that small clip. Position the subject, lock exposure, and switch to the rear lens at 1x for natural framing. Then press and hold to capture a 1-3-second clip. Don't rush. The little movement before and after the moment makes the effect feel alive. Once done, the clip is ready to convert. Next, you convert that clip into a lifestyle photo by extracting the best still and bundling the short motion. Open Gallery or Google Photos and pick the clip you just recorded. Trim it tightly to a 1 to 2 second window that includes the action you want to preserve. Export a sharp frame as the primary still, then use the app's Save as Motion or a third-party utility to attach the trimmed video to that still. This creates a photo file paired with a short play clip. Finally, you finalize and verify the lifestyle photo. Save the combined file and play it back in Gallery or Google Photos to confirm the motion triggers correctly. If it doesn't play, reconvert. Pick a shorter trim, under 1.5 seconds, or use an alternate converter app. Some apps embed motion more reliably. For sharing with devices that don't support embedded motion, export the still JPG and the small MP4 together and tell the recipient to play the video. That preserves your live effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.